Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to solve more questions related to Algebra 1, and in this relation the first question is simplify 3x cube into 4x raised to power 4. This question appears in May-June 2021. The question paper was 2 and the variant was 3. Now how can we solve this problem? I have told you earlier that we have some multiplication rules. That number 1, we multiply first sign, that is the both signs, and then coefficient, multiply by coefficient, and number 3, variable, multiply by variable. Okay, these are the multiplication rules. Now first of all, 3x cube has the sign positive. If there is no sign, then it means it has positive sign, and also 4x raised to power 4 has positive sign. Then plus into plus, that is equal to plus. 3 into 4, we have to multiply 3 by 4, it is 12, and x cube into x raised to power 4. I'm going to apply the index rule. What is the index rule here? When we have same base and bases are multiplying, then we just write one time base and add the powers. Power is also known as exponent and index. The answer will be x raised to power 7. So x raised to power 7. This is our final answer. That is 12 x raised to power 7. Question 2 is Geeta buys x apples, x plus 7 oranges, and 2x minus 1 bananas. The total number of pieces of fruit Geeta buys is 30. Find the number of apples Geeta buys. So how can we solve this problem? In these type of questions, we form an equation. Okay, and how can we form an equation? By adding all these. And how can I tell? By adding, because of this total. Okay, so by condition, number of apples x, and total you have to add number of oranges x plus 7 again, and 2x minus 1 number of bananas. I'm going to read this sentence. The total number of pieces of fruit Geeta buys is 30. So replace is with equal sign. Is 30, place 30 after equal. Okay, now we are going to solve this equation, that is the algebraic equation. X plus x, that is equal to 2x plus 7 minus 1 plus 2x is equal to 30. So 2x plus 2x, that is equal to 4x plus 7 minus 1, bring 30, that is minus 30, is equal to 0. So 4x plus 7 minus 1 minus 30, that makes minus 31, and minus 31 plus 7, that is equal to minus 24, is equal to 0. Find the number of apples Geeta buys. Number of apples denoted by x. So we need to calculate the value of x. So we are solving this equation. Here we have 4x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 over 4, and 4 one time, 4 6 times. So our answer is 6. That's it. Question 3 is factorize completely 14xy minus 7y squared. The question is so simple. Just note one thing. If you have two terms, then check if something is common between the numbers or not. If it is not common, then there may be a formula and you have to apply it. So here in this case, 7 is common. Look at the coefficients. Here we have 14 and 7. So 7 is common. The variable is xy. Here variable is y. So only one y is common. After that, 14xy divided by 7y. The rule is you have to divide by the common value. Okay, 7y square divided by 7y. Now simplify it. 7 one time, 7 two time. The rest is 2x minus, and here we have only y. So we have factorized it completely. The next question is factorize. That is the fourth question. You see we have 4 terms here. Whenever you have 4 terms, then usually we take common from first two terms, and then common from second 2 terms. Here the first 2 terms are 1 and minus q. There is nothing common between them, so we can take 1 as common. The rest is 1 minus q, and the second 2 terms are minus a plus aq. Whatever the sign of the third number will be written here, and here we have common a, the rest will be, so a over a minus into plus, that is equal to minus. The next term aq divided by a. 1 minus q minus a, 1 minus q, because we can cancel a with a. Now we have 2 terms, that is 1 minus q and minus a into 1 minus q. So what is common between them? 1 minus q is common between them. The rest will be, here we are left with only 1, minus remains the same, that is this, and 1 minus q we have taken it as common, so here we have only a. We can write it as 1 minus q in the parenthesis 1 minus a. This is it. Fifth question is factorize completely. Again we have 2 terms, then we are going to check if there is common between the coefficients. We have 21 and 28, so both appear in which table? 7. So 7 is common, and in a square and ab what is common? A is common. The rule is we have to divide each term by the common value, plus 28 ab divided by 7a. Now we are going to cancel the values. 7 one time, 7 3 time, 21, and this a can be cancelled, the rest is only a. 7 4 time, 28, a can be cancelled out, 4b. This is our answer. In b part we have 20x square minus 45y square. Tell me in which table 20 and 45 appears. So we have 5 common, and in x square and y square what is common? There is nothing common, so only 5 is common. In this question we are going to divide it by 5. Five one time, 5 4 time, 4x square, 5 9 time, 45. We can see we can further simplify it by applying this formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, 1 time positive and 1 time negative, a minus b. Okay, this is our formula. I can write 4x square into 2x whole square form, and 9y square can be written as 3y whole square, and apply this formula. So 1 time positive, that is 2x plus 3y, and 1 time negative, 2x minus 3y. You have to solve the question completely. Our next question is question 6. And the question says factorize 5y minus 6py. Again, we have two terms and we are going to check if there is common between the coefficient. Here the coefficient is 5 and here the coefficient is 6. So nothing is common between them. And now we are looking in the variable part. So here we have y and py. So y is common. So 5y will be divided by the common value, that is y. 6py divided by y, the same rule. And now simplify it. Y can be cancelled. This is our answer. So that's for the day. Please subscribe the channel, share it, comment the video and like it. Allah Hafiz.